Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Slide your fingers between the seal around the trunk and the carpet in order to lift and fold the carpet. Try to go as far as possible when folding it back. This will allow you to have more space and thus make it easier to work during this operation. Release the plastic wing nut holding the light in place. Remove the 2 external holding screws located on the taillight with a flathead screwdriver. Unclip the light, separating it slightly from the trunk and then pulling it carefully towards you. Push on the holding tab of the connector to free it from the holding spur and extract it. Remove the connector board for the bulbs, separating the white tabs from the holding spurs. To replace the parking and indicator lights, all you have to do is push down and give it a quarter turn to the left. They should come out under a spring effect. For the reversing light, simply pull on it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. The tab should separate to let it pass and lock in place once it's down. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the 2 holding screws back on the headlight housing. Screw the plastic wing nut back in by hand on the inside of the trunk. Put the carpet back in place, as well as the seal around the trunk, placing it over the top of the carpet to ensure complete water tightness. Operation completed.